What is your advice to overthinkers?
A quote that has helped me immeasurably, and it's from a book called The Horse, the Boy, the Fox and the Mole. Is a boy and a horse are in the woods, and the boy says to the horse, "I can't see a way through." And the horse says, "Can you see your next step?" And the boy says, "Yeah." And the horse says, "Then just take that."
Wow.
And it hit me.
Yeah.
All of the time we look at the goal, we look at the future, we look at the end game, we look at how long a journey it is, and we feel overwhelmed.
Yeah.
Instead of that, just go, right, I'm not going to worry about that, because that will come. With each step you will get closer to that, so I don't need to worry about how far away it is. All I need to focus on right now is my next step.
First and foremost, I want to say what's up to my people, man, because I done got me a little audience now, and I'm very appreciative, and I fuck with all of y'all heavy the long way. Continue commenting, giving me positive reaffirmations and things, man. I fuck with that. Y'all see the title of this video, how do you surround yourself around like-minded people? You know what I'm saying? It's real hard, and y'all seen my fuck up early on in earlier videos of me trying to surround myself around like-minded people. So we gonna talk on it. Hey, Maverick Transportation.
Whenever he pulls, after I get this checked in and he pulls out,
Yeah.
see that yellow sidewalk right there?
Yep.
We'll pull on that like it's a runway.
All right, cool. Appreciate you.
Gasoline off in my cup, gasoline off in the ride. Gasoline off in my cup, gasoline off in the lit. Gasoline off in my cup, gasoline off.
How do you surround yourself around like-minded individuals? Me, I fucked up trying to surround myself around like-minded people, like-minded individuals, you know, and it burnt me basically, you know. So what I learned from my mistakes, I'm gonna tell y'all, so hopefully y'all don't make the same mistakes that I've made. How to surround yourself around like-minded individuals. Step one, you got to have a vision. I don't think they heard me in the back. Let me say it again. You have to have a vision if you want to surround yourself around like-minded people. They have to have the same vision. You know what I'm saying? Y'all have to have the same end goal that y'all working towards. You know, so you have to have a vision, have a direction in life that you want to get to, and yeah, have a vision. I'm just bringing this video to give game. You know what I'm saying? So it might be a quick video. Step two, execute on that vision. But wait, that, you know, it just sounds so vague, right? Let me explain. Execute and on the vision that you just put forth, you have to plan. So any plan without action is merely a dream. So you literally need to write your goals down. Write goals down that's gonna get you to that ultimate vision that you done already envisioned. You have to write some goals down and check them goals off the list, and they'll eventually get you to where you want to be, man. So that's step two. You have to execute on the vision that you set forth in your life. Execute on them, put goals, check the goals off, and get to it. Step three, enjoy the fruits of your fucking labor. What do I mean by that? You didn't envision how you want your life to go. You starting to execute, you got goals in place, and you tackling those goals one by one. Now, the people that you should surround yourself around is gonna miraculously throw themselves inside of your life, inside of your path. You just gonna run into these people. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want. You want connections that'll benefit you and help you elevate when it comes to the vision that you and that other person have. So me personally, starting my YouTube channel, you could probably say I was trying to rush or whatever the case is. I put myself in a bad situation because I saw a potential connection that could have been made, but me and that person's values didn't add up. Learn from my mistakes, y'all. Do not make the same mistakes I done made. Step one, find a vision. You have to have a vision. Step 2, execute on that vision. Write goals down, accomplish those goals to get you to that vision. And step 3, enjoy the fruits of your labor. As you keep going, folks gonna throw themselves in your path. You're gonna make connections with ease, and you wouldn't have to worry about trying so hard like I did. I hope this video brings y'all some value. I'm still growing, and I can get on camera and I can admit that. But when it comes to me saying whatever I'm gonna say what the fuck I wanna say. I'm way too raw. You hear me? So I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get back to my job because they probably waiting on me. And I'm just feeling they ain't waiting on me. But that's the end of the video, man. I'm gonna continue to give game like this on my channel because this is shit that people need to hear, bro. It's a lot of fakeness on this internet and stuff like that. And man, I'm just here to talk my piece here. So that's that, bro. To all the gangsters out there, to all my supporters and things like that, I fuck with y'all. I love y'all. Y'all keep on commenting. Y'all keep on giving me the game. Y'all keep on rooting me on. And man, we gonna grow this thing up. You know what I'm talking about? So, and that's it, man. I ain't got nothing else to say. Daddy watch, too raw.